So we're at the Motorcycle and Powersports show at the exhibition, and we have the honor of being the dealer to represent Talaria with Terramax. But they're doing test drives. How cool is that? So let's check out. I'm gonna go on an X3 Pro. Okay.
With some bar, they put their elbows down.
Yeah.
Where your feet won't sit flat on the pegs. They should actually be up like that.
Oh yeah? Oh, it's been a while. I beat you. Oh, they got the limiter on. What about sitting up on it? I want to sit up on it. Woo! I need some, I have a question. Usually I just stand up on them. Like going over jumps like that, it feels better. Okay. Squeeze the bike, yeah?
Yeah, so you squeeze the bike kind of like you're sitting the old snowplow skate.
Okay. Which one's the back brake?
What's that?
Which one's the back brake? I don't even know that. This one.
Yeah.
Yes, this slows you down. This brings you to a stop. Same.
That's a feather. This one.
See, that's better. Woo! Did it look as cool as it felt?